99% of JavaScript developers don't know these tricks. Are you the 1%? That's the question. Let's find out. So an article by Adarsh Gupta, and of course an Indian guy telling us how to code. I'm already liking this. JavaScript is a weird language, but if we dig deeper, you'll discover that things don't simply happen out of the box. There's always some rational explanation for it. Here we will look at some of the JavaScript tricks that really come in handy at some point in the time. So let's get started. Proxy objects. Oh, here's something we haven't seen. Proxy in JavaScript is an object that grabs another object and intercepts fundamental operations like property access assignment or function invocation. So let's take a look what this is. We have a validator object which has a set property, has target key and value, and if the key is age and it's not an integer, the value is not an integer, we throw an error. Otherwise we will change the value and return true. And now in this line we will, oh my god, the pen. At this point you might be thinking that I'm doing this on purpose, and I honestly don't. So pen, here's the person. We make a new proxy and pass in an empty object and validator. Why is it an empty object? Oh, it doesn't matter. We set the age to 30. It's okay. We set the age to 30. It's not okay because this validator intercepts it. This one is actually called a trap, basically, but it traps the object and overrides the get function. So there are multiple inherent prototypical functions in an object, and you can override each of them in this proxy. I urge you to read more about it. I don't know most of the details. I rarely ever used proxies, but it's a great tool if you wanna maybe validate some data before changing the values. Very good, very good. I really like it. I really like it. So proxies are often used for tasks like data validation. There you go, logging and implementing advanced features like lazy loading. Very good. Remove white spaces from left and right. Oh god, that's a jump down. That's a jump down. From proxies to left trim. Okay, first this you can use string prototype, trim start and trim end. Okay, so hello world and text, trim start, trim end. Oh, what? Why this? We can just do trim. Oh, I guess you just want to show it. Okay, I understand. You shouldn't be doing that. No. You just do trim. It will trim left and right. You know that it's just, you can do that in the start and end. All right. I take it. Maybe some of you haven't known that this is doable. At least we do now. Okay. Symbol data type. Now we jump back in the seat. Oh my god, the dude loves roller coasters, from proxies to left trim to symbol data type. Oh god. So symbol data type is a unique and immutable primitive value that was introduced in ECMAScript 6. Is it a primitive? I don't know. Okay. So we can make a new symbol. What's gonna this return? A super unique value that cannot conflict even if you use the same description. Using the symbol as an object property key. See, that's exactly, you can use it as a whatever key if you don't want to conflict, if you don't know the keys, or maybe don't want to check, you just want to set a random key, and then you can do it with this new symbol. Okay, symbols are typically using unique keys. Yeah, there we go. They're guaranteed to be unique, which means no two symbols will ever be the same, even if they have the same description. Yeah, that's what I just said. That you can have the same description, it's gonna be. And also there are well-known symbols like what's the to primitive and whatever. Those are, you can use that to like define some properties in objects. For example, I have a console here, so let me just, there you go, symbol the to primitive here. So if you define an object property, so you have an object and this, then this is going to be used instead of the toString, because in ES6 the transpiler is going to look first in this property. So there you go, but I think you already knew that if you watched my videos. Using the Nullish coalescing operator, well, we already know that we are experts with the Nullish coalescing operator. So what it does, if See, he explicitly set the name to null. So if the name is null or undefined, then it gets the default value. So if you remove this, it would also work. Okay, so right hand side, when the left hand side null or undefined, there you go. The Nullish coalescing operator can be used in a variety of situations to avoid errors when variable might be null or undefined. It is an extremely useful trick that is often overlooked, but please don't use it unless unless and until you know what you're doing in life. Sorry, I'm in JavaScript. Funny guy. Web workers for multi-threading. Again, with big jumps. I love it. It's a huge roller coaster. Nullish coalescing to the web workers already. Web workers enable running JavaScript in the background to improve performance. Yeah, they allow you to run JavaScript code in the background separate from the main thread, which is the thread responsible for handling the user interface. Okay, so if you have some sort of task you want to do with JavaScript, make a web worker. Okay, this is the code, whatever. I don't think I want to read it. If you want, you can take a look at it, or maybe in another video we will take a look at it together. Okay, using the spread operator, we know this as well, and he's doing the roller coaster again from web workers to spread. This right now is a relatively old trick, but really comes handy at some point. Yes, the spread operator is an operator that can be used to spread the elements of an array or object into a list. Duh. So there you go, you have an array, you can spread it out, you get a list of stuff. Function currying. Oh, what a legend! What a legend this dude is, man! Again, function currying. I haven't heard this in ages. I don't know how often this is used. So the main thing is to understand you have a function which returns a function which returns a function which can return also a function. So it goes on and on and on and on, you know. So when you call it the first time, for example, you have what do we have? You calculate total. So currying function to calculating the total price. Okay, so we calculate the total, we set the price, and instead of the calculation, we'll get another function. So as this, this is not the name because this, you know, this is a name anonymous function, so to say. So and this is going to be a function, right? Oh my God, where's the pen? Again. So when you call this, it's gonna return this here. So you have a function here. So you can call this here, you call it again, there, and oh wow, what is he doing? Oh, he's double calling. Oh my God. So, oh God, oh no. so what it does here, this is the first, this goes here, and then it returns this function again. There, that's this goes, let's just connect there, this, and this goes in here, right? Easy peasy, but it's not that difficult, you know. It just returns a function and you can just call it again, but this one's a little bit like, okay, overcomplicated, but it's not that complicated. Just try it and you will see. Okay, what's next? Is there anything else? No! Okay, if you find this useful, be sure to like and share. What lesser know? Okay, I will share it. I will share it. Where's the thing? How can I share this? Share on Twitter. There you go. There we go. Beep. Thank you. What's the conclusion? Let's check the conclusion. We have looked into some lesser known tricks. Okay, proxy objects, whitespace, whatever. Thank you for reading this far. You're a fantastic reader. Oh, thank you. What a nice Indian guys, they're so nice. I love them. Okay, if you're an inspiring photo developer, check out this Tale in CSS ebook worth a shot. Okay, is this Adarsh? He's written the book. I don't think I want to read it though, but thank you very much for suggesting. And this is the end of the video. And please leave a like and subscribe, so I can give you more of these very interesting article readouts. And take care. Bye bye.